To begin this grand occasion on a subspecies and vibrant note, we present to you a mesmerizing welcome dance, a performance that embodies grace, energy, and the warmth of our hospitality. So, dear audience, get ready to witness the wonderful welcome dance. Are you ready, parents? I wanted you guys to please encourage our little kids for the welcome dance. Are you ready? Once again, a huge round of applause. Are you ready, guys? Thank you. That was truly breathtaking. What a vibrant and elegant way to begin the performance. I request parents to please give a huge round of applause for such a brilliant dance performance. Classical dancers, I hope you would like it, and please give a huge round of applause for them.
वराहरूपं देववरीशं वरस्मितवदनं वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् शिवसम्भूत भुवि संजात ನಂಬಿದವಗಿಂಬು ಕೊಡುವವನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತ ನಿಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ
वाह क्या बात है ना రెండు కళ్ళు సరిపోట్లే వీళ్ళని చూడాలంటే పేరెంట్స్ ప్లీజ్ ఎంకరేజ్ దెమ్